Welcome to the Floral POS. In this how-to video, we're going to show you how to do delivery verification using Google Maps. Let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is we need to find out if this thing's enabled. So click on Control Panel here. And then from Control Panel, we're going to go to System Configuration and then Delivery Setup. Inside Delivery Setup, to the far right, you have Google Maps. AV for address verification. Just make sure you toggle this on. Select Enable. That's it. Let's go ahead and X out of here. X out of Control Panel. Let's go ahead and go into a delivery order. And let's go ahead and just try to verify something. So let's go with 14 Morgan Road, Akron, Akron, New York. So we're not sure the zip code. We're not even sure if the Morgan Road's proper. So if we click here, this will actually do our verification for us. Address verified. 14 Morgan Road, Scottsville, New York, 14546. Automatically took care of it for us, which is pretty neat. So let's go ahead and try another one. 12781 Swift Mills Drive, Akron, New York. So again, we're not sure the zip code. We're not sure if Swift Mills Drive is proper. So click on this to verify. And it's actually Swift Mills Road, Akron, New York, 14001. So it's that simple. It'll actually verify whatever address you have in here. It's generally, you need an address, you need a state and a city. And it'll automatically verify it for you to make sure it's a deliverable address for you. Pretty simple. And really easy. And that's address verification using Google Maps inside the Floral POS. If you guys have any questions, call 888-865-9768. Email us, support@thefloralpos.com, or you can click on our smiley face. And we'll see you guys in the next one.